In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use seller analytics and reports within your Wayfair dashboard. If you've ever wondered about optimizing your sales and marketing strategies, this guide is just what you need. Let's dive in and make the most out of the data presented to you, ensuring your business thrives on Wayfair. First, let's explore how you can monitor sales volume, customer reviews, and inventory turnover. Your Wayfair dashboard is a treasure trove of information designed to help you keep track of various performance metrics. By regularly checking your sales volume, you can understand which products are selling well and which ones might need a little more attention. This insight is crucial, as it enables you to focus your resources on products that bring the most value. Customer reviews are equally important. They offer valuable feedback that can help you enhance your product offerings. Taking the time to read these reviews can provide you with a clear picture of what your customers truly think. Are there recurring themes or concerns? Addressing these can significantly improve customer satisfaction and, in turn, boost your sales. Inventory turnover is another critical aspect to watch. This metric indicates how often your inventory is sold and replaced over a particular period. A high turnover rate usually means your products are in demand, while a slower rate might suggest an oversupply or lack of interest. By monitoring this, you can avoid overstocking or understocking issues, ensuring that you always supply what your customers want. Next, it's essential to identify products with consistent high demand and positive feedback. This step is where the analytics data you gather becomes transformative. By pinpointing these successful products, you can focus your efforts on what truly works. This might mean investing more in similar product lines that exhibit these winning characteristics, or pushing these popular items in your marketing channels more heavily. Once you have a clear understanding of your high-demand, positively reviewed products, it's time to adjust your inventory and marketing strategies accordingly. With this data-driven approach, you can optimize your inventory to ensure you're meeting customer demand without unnecessary surplus. Plus, your marketing strategies can be tailored to highlight these successful products, potentially boosting your overall sales performance. By regularly utilizing the seller analytics and reports in your Wayfair dashboard and implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your business's performance. Remember, the key to success is continual learning and adaptation. The market trends may change, but armed with the right tools and insights,